Today I am going to explain the construction of electrical circuit. The aim of this experiment is wire up the circuit to control one lamp from two different places. It is also called as staircase wiring. For this experiment we need the material. Bulb is 1, holder is 1 and two-way switch is 2 and test board is 1 and connecting wires few. The circuit diagram is as follows. Here we are taking two-way switches S1 and S2. These switches are having three terminals. Two terminals are called as L1 and L2 and middle terminal it is called as common terminal. Common terminal of the both the switches, one two-way switch 1 that is S1 common, it is connected to the phase of the supply, and two-way switch is 2 that is S2, this common terminal it is connected to the bulb and neutral of the supply it is connected to the bulb. And the observation of this experiment it is position of the switches and position of the bulb. Here we have taken two switches S1 and S2. If S1 and S2 position is up, position of the bulb will on, means bulb will be glowing, and S1 and S2 of the position is down, the bulb will be glowing. And S1 is up, S2 is down, position of the bulb is off, means bulb will not glow. S1 is down and S1 is on, position of the bulb will be off. For example, the S1 it is assumed as the first floor and S2 it is assumed as a ground floor. S1 and S2 position is up, means both the switches positions are the same, it's nothing but the bulb will be glowing in the first floor. And S1 is up and S2 is down, it's nothing but if the bulb is on in the first floor, we can off from the ground floor, and if it is off the bulb in the first floor, we can on that bulb in the ground floor. If the position differs, the position of the bulb will not glow. It is the advantage of this staircase wiring. The connection is as follows and it is shown practically now. Thank you. This is two-way switch and this is one-way switch. In one-way switch there are two terminals. One terminal is line and one more terminal is neutral. This one-way switch it is working only in one direction. And one more switch I am taking in this experiment, that is two-way switch. In this two-way switch we are having three terminals, L1, L2 and common. This terminal it is called as C. This one is L1 and this one is L2. Because L1, L2 are containing both working as a line. Because this switch it is works at both the sides. And here I am going to switch on the supply. And first switch position is, in this two-way switch, the below position are called as down positions and these positions are called as up positions. Here first result it is S1 and S2, both switches are position up. So here the position is up and one more switch position is also up. The result is on, the bulb is glowing. And second is S1 and S2 position is down. This position is also down and this position is also down. Again the bulb is glowing. Because in both the switches the position is same, the bulb is going to on. And third position is S1 is up and S2 is down, and if the direction of the any one switch is going to differ, the bulb is not glowing, it is nothing but the result is off. And S1 is down and S1 is up, here it is also bulb is not glowing. This is, it is called as staircase wiring. This is the main staircase wiring, it is the example for this one lamp control from two different places. Thank you.